Hello everyone, my name is Robert Payne. I'm a biomedical engineer at the University of Georgia's Medical Robotics Lab, and I'm here today to talk with you about 3D printing, the missing puzzle piece between digital design and physical prototyping. 3D printing is a quick and easy three-step process. First, design. Second, convert. And third, print. Step number 1, design. After you get done designing, you can save the file as an STL so it can be recognized by the 3D printer. Now to step 2. Step 2 is convert. We'll be converting our save file from our CAD program to a printable G-code. With your file converted, it's on to step 3, printing. Just load the file and click print. "3D printing, missing puzzle piece in the design process."